So hello guys, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a drop down list in MS Excel. So see, we have every day we are using same data we are making, and sometimes some datas are common which we have to enter in the cell on daily basis. So just we can create a drop down list and we can select from there. So how to do it, I will show you today. So before this, please do like and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and please hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of each and every video whichever I am posting. Okay, so let's start the learning. So guys, as you can see the screen, I have some data with me. uh, in this data I have month, salesperson, name, target in lakh, what salesperson is having target in lakh, and how much they achieved. Okay, achieved also in lakh I will mention so that you can get the clarity in lakh. Okay, adjust it. You can see achieved in lakh and what is the percentage they have achieved in the particular month. Now in this data, see, you can see salesperson. Okay, I have Amit, Mohit, Puneet, Rajiv, Rajesh, Rohit. So many different salesperson are there. And month we have January, February, March. 3 months are there. So what I want only uh, salesperson name and their percentage. Okay, how much month, salesperson name and percentage in a separate table. Okay, so for that I will start first. So what I will do, I will write month. Okay, I will increase the. Okay, now you keep. Now it is visible properly, I guess. Salesperson and percentage achieved. Okay, percentage achieved. Now I have what are the months? Jan. Okay. Now second one is March, Feb. Sorry, Feb and March. 3 months are there. Now what I want first, I will show you drop down. Okay, so for this 3 months I will create a drop down. I will create a drop down for month, salesperson and percentage achieved. Okay, so what I just want to select the name from a drop down. If I don't want to type it manually, the name like this, I just want a drop down should be there, and I need to select the name from the drop down list. So for that, first, what I have to do, for this drop down list, we are going to use data validation. Okay, first, you can see here I have different tabs like home, insert, page layout, formulas and data. So you can see there is data. In data, in the right side, when you will see data tools are there, in which text to column already I have shown you in my one of my video. Other one is flash fill. Next one is remove duplicates, already I showed you. And the third one is data validation. So for this drop down list we are going to use data validation. So what I want to create a drop down list in this particular column. Okay, so I will do one thing. First I will copy the month from my first sheet. Okay, and I will go to my second sheet. I will paste the month, and now I want to select the data of January for Amit. You can see here Amit is there, Mohit is there, Puneet is there. So I want to select Amit first. So I'm not going to type it manually. I'm going to create a drop down list for this, and I will just select it from the drop down list. So for that, what we have to do, just select the range of cell in which you want to create a drop down. Now here you can see, go to your data validation, select data validation, Here what data validation is required. So here I want not only values, already I showed you before how to use it. I want only a list. Okay, so and list should be from which sheet. It should be what will be my source sheet. So I want the list from this source. Okay, first what I will do, delete this. Okay, cancel. First I will write all the names in the right side. Okay, I will write all the names in a separate column, and I will first remove duplicates from this. Okay, now you can see here all the names are there. Now I will select my cell in which I want to create a drop down list. Go to my data validation, select. Yes, you have to select list because I have a list of names for which I want to create a drop down list. And what is my source? The source is my column J, starting from J1 till J10. So this is my source list from which I want to create a drop down list for the selected cell, and just press OK. Here you can see the option is ignore blank. So if you will tick it, okay, if you are giving a tick mark for this, so if the cell you are leaving blank, okay, so it will be ignored by the Excel. That is not a problem. So here you can see option is there in cell drop down. So once you will do this, you will get a drop down list, and click OK. Now you can see here one down arrow is there. Once you will click on it, you will get the list of names from which you can select the name which you want. So I will select Amit. Same for the second cell. Here it is again Amit, and the third one is again Amit, because we are going to take we have the data for January, February, and March for all the salesperson. Similarly for next Mohit, and maybe Mohit March. If you don't want, you can select Punit, and you can select Rajiv. So like this you can create a drop down list. And for this, how it is helpful, because see, sometimes you have a common data which you are using in your workbook on daily basis. So for that data, for that entries, you can just create a drop down list, and you can easily use it. You can select it from the drop down list. So this is how we are using data validation for creating a drop down list. I hope you guys learn this. And guys, if you really learn this, and if you really like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, because if you like and subscribe, you will get the notification. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.